Hey guys, Blender Visuals here today, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn a 2D image into a 3D model. So first thing you want to do is delete the default cube after opening up Blender. You want to go to Add, you want to go to Mesh, and you want to go to Plane. Now with the plane still selected, you want to press End and open up the side panel. Now the only thing we're going to be changing is the dimensions. So you want to go to Files and find your image that you're going to be using. Now I use a Twitter logo right here. You can get your own image from online, like download like from Chrome or Google, but anyways, let's go to details. And right here you'll find the dimensions. Now, the dimensions for your images is going to be different from mine because they're not all the same. Anyways, let's put it to 40.63. After that, let's press the end. Next, you want to switch to edit mode and you want to add loop cuts. So you left click and you subdivide. First, you want to add 100 cuts. You want to subdivide again, and you only want to add 4 or 5 cuts. If you add 100 again, it doesn't matter how good your device is, it will instantly crash Blender. After that, we want to switch back to object mode, and we want to go to modifiers. And you want to add a displace modifier under deform. Then we want to go to this new and add a new texture. Then we want to go to the texture properties all the way down here. And as you can see in the preview, it's just a black image. To fix that, you want to go to open right here, and you want to go to downloads and find your image again. Which is, mine is right here, Twitter logo. So let's open it. And as you can see, we have the Twitter logo. Next, you want to go back to modifiers, and do not mess with the strength or anything. Just apply the modifier. And after the modifier is applied, you can switch back to edit mode, and you can click 3 to go into side view. Next, you want to press Z and go into wide frame. After you're in wide frame, you just want to select like I do, watch. Next, you want to click X and click delete verticals. Next, you want to click A, and if you zoom in, you can see all these jagged lines. To fix that, you press S, Z, 0, and as you can see, that gives us a smoother surface. Now, once we have that, we'll have the Twitter logo. I will make a tutorial later how to get rid of these 3 dots right here. As you can see, this one right here, this one right here. Anyways, after that's done, we can switch back to object mode and we can turn on solid. But as you can see, now we have the image, but as you can see, if we zoom in, you can see all these jagged lines right here. Now, to fix that, we want to go to modifiers again. Once we're in modifiers, we want to add a smooth modifier. That's also going to be under deform, right here, smooth modifier. Now, once you have that, the repeat option, that's how to smooth it out, but its option will only go to 30. So watch what I do. And as you can see, that really smoothed it out. Now, I'll update on how to fix these bumpy lines. You can see the lines are still a bit bumpy, but that's also how, next you want to apply that modifier. After you have that applied, you can select the image, and you can go down here and you can add a texture. I meant material, sorry. Click the plus, click new, and change it to blue, which is the default color you would see of a Twitter logo. So right here, change to blue, and let's turn on the color. Now you have a Twitter logo. I'm going to show you one last thing though that you can do with it. Let's select it and put the rotation in 90. We're going to have it standing up. Now after it's standing up, I'm going to show you, I really like to make it reflection, so for the metallic you would want to put it to 0.50. And for the specular, just turn the specular all the way down, and for the roughness, you can turn it to 10. 0.10. Anyways, as you see, That's kind of how to make a Twitter logo in Blend. Well, that's how to import a 3D image. I've been having trouble speaking. A 2D image into a 3D model in Blender. So I hope you guys enjoyed and this tutorial was helpful. But yeah, that's how to make it. I hope you guys enjoy. So, see ya.